Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to understand how to calculate the value of polynomials. So in previous video we have understood about the other part of the polynomial. Now we are going to understand how to calculate the value of polynomial. Here the polynomial is given as find the value of polynomial or given polynomial for x equals to 2. Okay, so now we have to just keep the value of x in given polynomial. We will calculate the value of polynomial. Okay, so here x equals to 2 is given, so we have to just place the value in polynomial. Solution. First we have to write the polynomial, and what is given? X equals to 2. Now polynomial is px equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. It is our polynomial. Now we have to calculate x value. We have x equals to 2. Therefore p2 equals to 2. What is x? X is 2, so we have to write x square minus 3. X is 2, so 3x plus 5. Now px equals to, or p2 equals to 2 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 5. So 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So 2 plus 5, and 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore P2 equals to 7, and it is our answer. Okay, so now we have the answer, so we have to write the result for this. So we have got x, the value of polynomial is 7, so we have to write result now. तो रिजल्ट क्या हो जाएगा? इट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल is 7 for x equals to 2. Okay, so this is the way we have to calculate the value of polynomial. Okay, so these questions are really very easy. Now you have to go through them, then you will understand precisely. Okay, so you have to write down now. Now we will check the next problem. Okay, so write down now. Now we are going to solve the second problem, okay, of your textbook. So here we have y equals to minus 2. Okay, so in solution we have to do? Find the value of py. Then y is minus 2. So equation is 2y cube minus 2y plus root 7. Okay, so we have to calculate the value of polynomial for y equals to minus 2. So we have y equals to minus 2. Okay, so here we have to place the value of y is minus 2. Now what is the polynomial? It is py equals to 2y cube minus 2y plus root 7. Okay, so here y equals to minus 2 we have to place. So p minus 2 or py equals to 2y is minus 2. We have to write minus 2 cube plus minus 2 into y, minus 2 into y is minus 2. So we have to write minus 2 plus root 7. Now 2 into cube of minus 2 is minus 8. Minus into minus plus, and 2 into 2 is 4 plus root 7. So 2 into 8 is minus 16 plus 4 plus root 7. Okay, so minus 16 into 4 is minus 12. So minus 12 plus root 7. So this is our answer. So P y is -2, so we have to write -2 here. Okay, so this is our answer. So -12 plus √7 is our answer or value of polynomial. Okay, so we have to write the result now. So result will be, so what will be the result? Minus of the value of polynomial p minus 2, or we write p minus 2 here, p minus 2, and here again p minus 2. Okay, so p minus 2 equals to -12 plus √7, -12 plus √7, which is our answer. Now we have to write in word form also. Okay, so the value of polynomial and what is polynomial? It is py equals to 2y cube minus 2y plus √7 is -12 plus √7 for y equals to -2. Okay, so this is the answer. So as you can see, the polynomials की वैल्यू निकालना बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. Okay, so write down this question also. Okay, now we are going to solve the next problem. Okay, so write down now. Now we are going to solve the third problem of your textbook. Okay, so the question is, if px equals to 2x square minus x cube plus x plus 2, then find the value of p0. Okay, so p0 means x equals to 0. Okay, so we have to write the polynomial first. So px equals to 2x square minus x cube plus x plus 2. Okay, so now here x equals 0, therefore we have to write since p equals to 0, therefore we have to put 0 instead of x. So p0 equals to 2 into 0 square. 0, we have x equals 0, so we have to write instead of x we have to write 0, therefore minus 0 cube plus 0 plus 2. Okay, so p0 equals to 0 square means 0, 0 into 2 is 0, minus cube of 0 is 0, plus 0 plus 2. Okay, so p0 equals to, we have 2, 0 0 will be 0 and plus 2 will be remain here. Okay, so plus 2, and this is our answer. This is nothing but the value of polynomial. Okay, so we have to write result now. So result will be, so what will be result? The value of polynomial p0 equals to 2x square minus x cube plus x plus 2 is 2. Okay, for p equals to or p0. Okay, therefore we have got the answer for this question also. Okay, students, you can see that these questions are really very easy, so you have to understand precisely. If you are getting any problem, please do keep repeat this video so that you will understand more precisely. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.